I want to try to do a home style version of the Starbucks Bacon Gruyère Sous Vide egg. I think these little pods can do the trick. Let's make that smooth. Perfect. Roll it around so that the butter gets everywhere. Add bacon into every one. Pour in the mixture. I'm putting a piece of bacon in because why not have more bacon? Now these will go into boiling water for 15 minutes. Egglettes are exactly as advertised. Hard-boiled eggs, perfect. Soft-boiled eggs, perfect. And finding a new use for them, making a sous vide style egg, bacon Gruyère that you find at Starbucks without an expensive sous vide machine, this, I have to say, is genius. Velvety, bacony, cheesy, delicious. Egglet, kitchenette, it all makes sense. Bacon Gruyère sous vide style eggs at home. Inexpensive, easy. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.